You know, it's very sad when I hear people say they were not born to be successful. It's gonna be difficult for people to truly believe in you if you don't believe in yourself. So in order for you to take the first step to change your life situation, you must believe that you can. And it's only going to be your belief is going to determine how successful you're going to be in the next 5 years. So every step that you are making to change your life, believe on every single steps. Do not let anyone slow down some of the way that you speak about yourself, especially those that are critical of you. Now it's okay to have criticism as long these criticisms gonna help you change something to become better in the future. You gotta remember, you have God in you. So as you speak, you create. So let's speak live and great feature into ourselves, and let's speak positivity for people around us, because it's okay for you to become wealthy. It's okay for you to be happy. It's okay for you to go after the things that you truly desire without you having to hurt anyone in the process. It's all about your mindset. I believe in you. Let's do it.